What's up, everybody? Luke here from Luke's Looksmaxlab. Today we're going to be discussing the importance of precision 3D plan jaw surgery, and we're going to be discussing why it is better than freehand jaw surgery, explaining how normal jaw surgery that is 3D planned, it's still suboptimal than jaw surgery that is 3D planned with precision 3D guides that are also fabricated instead of just planning and then using off-the-shelf plates and guides. Let's start off with normal freehand Bimax. Not gonna be good at all. Moving up, we have 3D plan Bimax, so no guides, no plates, no custom plates, which is the most common. When these doctors are doing this stuff, it's not simple to just move the jaw into the correct symmetrical position. Like, there's no way to measure that, bro. Yeah, when that is done freehand and it's not planned at all, it's gonna be ass. So the best way to do this, 3D surgical planning, you need to get a CT scan, have that planned out properly, and then have those guides created, and then have those cutting guides used during the surgery. When that is used during the surgery, the holes and everything goes exactly to how it was planned. It's kind of the similar concept as printing out Invisalign trays and manufacturing those. It's kind of the same concept as that, We want the most accurate result, We want our jaws as symmetrical as possible, planned out properly, because that's going to give you the most aesthetic look. And a lot of other things go into the actual 3D planning process. It's honestly like the most important part. It's kind of like painting a house, painting a car or something, The masking and the prep work are the most important part. The actual part where you lay the paint isn't the most important part. That's going to be the easiest part, But planning an aesthetic surgery takes a lot more time. And no, surgery is not as simple as painting a house or painting something, People don't really understand that the prep work is pretty important as well as the actual surgery, If you don't understand already, during 3D planning, the person that does the 3D planning will create guides. There's two things that are manufactured in this process. So there's a hole guide and a cutting guide, which is used to make the holes and the cuts. Once the holes and the cuts are made, the bone is free, so it's separated, the osteotomy's been made, and then the plate comes in after the cutting guide has been removed, and then the plate, you screw into the plate, and then the bone is brought to the correct position exactly as planned. Because the plate, if you can imagine now, think about a doctor trying to hold each individual piece of bone while drilling into it, while trying to position a plate and put a screw into there. It's like, this whole thing is just too much. It's too hard, and people are not skilled enough to do a freehand Bimax better than 3D planned procedure. It's just not going to happen ever. You will never get as accurate as it. That's just how it works. It's a jig. This is what a jig is. This is some shit that's just used in industrial fabrication, like every single day. This is used all the time. Like, a jig is a very basic tool. There's no way to replicate a jig with your hands. So you're going to be asymmetrical, you're going to be not correctly aligned and stuff. It's way more technical than people think. It isn't the same thing as a rhinoplasty, because we don't use those for rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty is a freehand thing. So people get confused, they think it's the surgeon entirely, but it's not. There is a lot of important things that go into completing the surgery correctly and not messing anything up during the surgery. If you're interested in doing a surgery consult with me and you want your plan laid out for you 100% and to be pointed in the correct direction with your LooksMax journey, you can click the link in the description and I can do a one-on-one video consult with you. We'll create an entire plan step by step. Then you can go off of it and you will be instantly headed in the right direction after talking to me. There is a lot of BS on LooksMax forums and stuff, and it's pretty hard to navigate for like a beginner. If you have just gotten into this and you want to know exactly what you need to do for your procedures, then click the first link in the description and book a consult with me. I can explain every single thing that you need to do that you actually need. We don't want to be doing stuff you don't need, bro. Like, first of all, we're short on time. Most people are on a budget. We need to do the least amount of things possible. We're not trying to end up on People magazine for looking like you've had like 50 plastic surgeries and stuff. That's not like what this is about. That's not my channel. My channel does not focus on shit like that. We're not trying to look uncanny, you know? We don't want you to look like shit after this. We want, like, look, I know what you need, is what I'm saying. If you want to talk to me, click the first link in the description. If you can't speak English very well, we can do the plan written and then do a one-on-one video call at any time you choose. Leave questions and stuff in the comments below about looks maxing, because I have a lot of information and I kind of don't really know what to talk about because I don't know what you guys are interested in. That's kind of sometimes I'm in that kind of predicament. That's why I haven't posted it. So all the links to the video call consult booking is in the description, and also my email is in the description if you want to contact me there. If you are interested in anything about this video, just go ahead and leave a comment in the comments below and we can chat down there. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna be back soon with another video. Took like a week break off YouTube and gonna be back, so stay tuned. Hit the notification bell, subscribe.